Hi guys, I'm Rachel from our content development group here at Fire Mountain, and I'm going to show you how to knot pearls with perfection using our Easy Knotter. The Easy Knotter allows you to quickly and easily create professional knots. The measurement guides appear in both standard and metric. To begin, string your pattern of pearls onto the thread. Secure the end of your thread either with an overhand knot or by attaching a bead stopper to the end of the thread. This prevents your pearls in your design from falling off the end of the thread. To tie your first knot, bring the thread around 2 fingers of your non-dominant hand, then pass the end through the loop. Remove the cover from the post on the Easy Knotter, then place your loop onto the post. Pull the longer end of the thread to position your knot where desired. Place your index finger on one side of the post and your thumb on the opposite side. Slide the knot from the post, being sure not to move your fingers. Then pull the long end of the thread to secure the knot in place. After you've created your first knot, remove the bead stopper from the end of the thread. Bring your first pearl in your design down to the knot, then repeat, wrapping the thread around your fingers, bringing the pearl through the loop. Place the loop on the post. It's important that the loop is facing you when you're placing it on the post. Pull the long end of the thread, tightening the knot, and positioning it where desired. To ensure that the knot rests up against the pearl will move to one side of the post. Place a finger on either side of the pearl and your thumb against the knot on the post. Then slide the knot off of the post, holding your thumb against the hole of the bead. Pull the long end of the thread, securing the knot against the pearl. Bring the next bead in your pattern down the thread and position it next to the previous pearl. Then repeat, wrapping the thread and bringing the beads through to create the loop. You can create spaces between your sets of pearls, and the guides on the Easy Knotter will allow you to keep them consistent throughout your design. Now that you know how to make perfectly spaced pearl designs, visit our website, firemountaingems.com, for information on finishing your design.